Hi guys, this is question number 7. The question states that in a magic square, each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. Check which of the following is a magic square. So I'll start with the first part. So in the first part, if you notice, the first row contains three numbers 5, -1 and -4. And according to the definition of the magic square, each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. So let's start by calculating the sum of the first row, which will be 5 plus -1 plus -4, which is 5 minus 5, which is 0. So if it is a magic square, each row, column and diagonal will have a sum of 0 only. Let's look at the second row. -5, -2 and 7. So the sum here will be -5 plus -2 plus 7, which will be -7 plus 7. Again the sum is 0. For the third row, again the numbers are 0 plus 3 and -3. Here also the sum is 0. Column is 5 minus 5 and 0. The first column is 5 minus 5 and 0. The result is 0. The second column, -1, -2 and 3. So the second column will be -1 plus -2 plus 3, which will be again 0. And the third column is -4, 7 and -3. The third column is -4 plus 7 and -3. So this will be 7 minus 7, which is again 0. And now we are going to look at the diagonals and what is the result. For the diagonals, the first diagonal is 5, -2 and -3. So the first sum of the first diagonal will be 5 plus -2 plus -3, which is again 0. Sorry, this is 0. And the second diagonal is -4, -2 and 0. So sum of the second diagonal is 0 plus -4 plus -2, which means the sum here is -6. So we find out that at the end, since the sum of this diagonal is -6, the first part or the first matrix that is given to us is not a magic square. You can do the second part in a similar way and determine the answer of if the second part is a magic square or not.